It's my night though for my dinner.
I'll be okay.
Oh, they had one at Cornerstone like that, but it was purple. Yeah, it was a purple one. It has a cross on there.
I'll be
What?
Record videos too.
recording now?
Huh?
Recording or no? I don't know.
Yeah, what do you want to say?
I want to say,
It's his birthday.
it's my birthday and we're here over at Cheesecake Factory. So, got several things. Got a new phone. Got really cool accessories. Charger.
That one's easy to get up.
A good phone case and Bluetooth thing. And then I got, what else did I get? I got a back Robbie plus a DVD break-in, and I've got a cool new shirt and 2 ties from Henson and Tony.
And then he also got 2 t-shirts for tomorrow.
Okay. Nice. Good gifts. Good gifts. Tanya, this is exciting, isn't it? Nice. Nice, Dad. It's cute. No, go ahead now. Tanya. High five, high five, high five, high five. Gutter ball, gutter ball, gutter ball. How's the cake?
Huh?
How's the cake?